Welcome back to another video here in China. Today I'm in Beijing, which unfortunately is the last stop of this incredible journey that we have been on through China over the last couple of weeks. If you've not seen the previous videos, then please do go back to the channel and check those out. That'd be greatly appreciated. I don't know why, but Beijing feels like the fitting place to end this story. Obviously, while we're here, we're going to see the Great Wall of China and all of that jazz, but I'm really looking forward to just decompressing and processing what we've been up to and seen over the last few weeks. This morning, we're just exploring the local area around our hotel and trying to familiarise ourselves with Beijing. So, camera in hand, of course. Let's go capture some moments. So in terms of camera gear, today I've got the bell whistling on. We've got the A7 IV with the 85mm. And then for the wider shots, I've got the 24-70 G Master Mark II. Super low key, so good just to walk around a city with just this sling on and just the camera. So I'm currently in one of Beijing's many hutongs. A hutong is basically a narrow street that is just jam-packed with shops either side. Loads of different little alleyways. I love these places. This is optimal location for that 85mm. There's just pockets of madness and movie-like scenes happening everywhere. Now I'm on a bit of a side street at the moment and it's pretty quiet, but as you walk onto it, it really does start to get busy. This is another great time to be using the aperture priority mode. If you dial in your settings correctly, then you shouldn't miss a shot. There's so much madness and people here that if you're worried about missing a shot, aperture priority is the way to go. Good morning from Jingshan Park. I'm here waiting for the sun to rise and I thought I'd just jump on here as I was just thinking about the last couple of weeks and yeah, some final thoughts on China. I think I'll probably do another video on this, a separate video, but China has been probably one of the most incredible travel experiences in my entire life. If this place is not on your list or you're uncertain about this place, then come and see it for yourself, because I've wanted to come here for, I mean, we had a visa turned down 5 years ago and it's always been a kind of a bit of a dream to come here. So I've wanted to come for a long time. Chloe was skeptical, and within probably 24 hours of her being here, she was like, this is one of the best countries ever. So yeah, come and see it for yourself. I don't know what we are perceived in the West about this place, but I feel like it's the complete opposite once you get here. The people are some of the kindest people that I've come across during my years of travel. Just willing to help you and do anything for you, and that's in cities and that's in the remote parts that we've been to as well. So yeah, China, I love you. I'm gonna miss you, and I will want to come back probably the minute I leave, because I've got some unfinished business here, that's for sure. Alright, the sun's just started to pop up, so yeah, let's check out this view. So it wasn't until I was actually leaving that I looked behind me and there was a plaque on the floor to say that I was actually standing on the centre of Beijing taking that photo of morning. Another thing I love about these gardens or spaces that they have here in China is like the morning activities, and I guess all day long, like people just come here, they congregate, they work out together, they dance. There's a lot of badminton going on. It's so cool because like I think in the West we're very, I don't know, we don't really do much stuff together, do we? So it's so nice to like come to these parks of a morning and just see people just having fun, I guess, and interacting with each other. So I've only come across this in Beijing on this trip, but they seem to have these police checkpoints everywhere, every street corner, every entrance to any sort of busy street. You have to show your ID or your passport. They scan it on this thing and then they let you through. Now stupidly, I didn't have my passport with me this morning. Chloe looks after that, she plays mum, and she's not here. Luckily enough, I had a photocopy of it on my phone. The dude took a photo of it on his phone, called someone and has sent it somewhere, waited like 5 minutes, it came back all good. I don't know what they check for, like whether it's your visa, if you've been in any trouble, what you've been up to, how long you've been here. I'm currently walking towards the Temple of Heaven. The plan was to be here at 8:30 this morning for when it opened. I overrun at the last spot because of the haze and decided to stick it out. And now getting to places in Beijing, because it's so big, aren't as simple as what they seem. So it's now the middle of the day nearly. Made it to the Great Wall of China. Feeling very blessed to be here. In my wildest dreams as a kid, I never thought I would ever visit this place. Very, very grateful to be here. And it is epic. It's as wild as you think. It sprawls for miles. Just in time for sunset. Clinging on to some autumn colours. Wow, what a place. I can't believe I'm here. China, we're out. After the most incredible couple of weeks, it's time to say goodbye. We started in the south in Guangzhou, we headed out west to the mountainous regions, and we ended up here in Beijing where we saw the Great Wall of China. I hope you've enjoyed this series. If you have, please do like, subscribe and share, because it really does help support the channel and make it grow. I think once I get back to New Zealand in a few months' time and I have some more time to sit behind a computer, I'll try and collate all the footage from the destinations that we visited into a short film. Stick around for more adventures, there are plenty more coming over the coming months. So yeah, China, that's a wrap. You've been everything and more than what I could ever imagine, and I hope to return to this fascinating country again one day. Thanks so much for watching, stay safe. I'll see you in the next one. Greetings from Shanghai.